Hey guys, so this is kind of a late upload for the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket. I went and released already a couple of videos about it, doing certain tests. They will be all linked down in the description, but I decided to throw the unboxing into the channel, so for those that are buying it and curious what's in the box, we'll see what's in the box. I'll try to keep this video below 4 minutes, so let's jump directly into the box and see what's in there. My little handy dandy knife. There you guys go. So we got a little booklet. It tells you their websites, Twitter, link ID, YouTube channel, all that good stuff. And the Osmo Shield. I strongly recommend getting this because I dropped the Osmo Pocket a couple times already. So let's jump into the box. You got the case that contains all of the stuff. So let's go one by one. So in this bag, we have the USB-C to USB cable. We have the lightning adapter that slides into the Osmo and the USB-C adapter. We got the wrist carrying handle and instruction, and then the case itself, and then you got the Osmo Pocket. So this one's slide on. Let me show you guys. I promise to keep this video under 4 minutes. We'll go up to 5 or 6. So this slides off. And if you have an iPhone, you just slide this one on. Just like that. And there you guys have it. And to connect this to your iPhone, you need to put in a micro SD card. First, and then you plug this to your phone, and then the whole startup begins. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, click the bell notification, subscribe, follow, like, comment, all that good stuff, and check out the other videos that I made, tests about this. I'll have everything linked down in the description, so enjoy.